Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we're going to make this cute little trifold folio thingy. We've got this to make it with, and we've got this, and a cute little paper doll, and we've got some really beautiful tags. I think they're beautiful. I hope you guys like them. Another paper doll, and a little pup with a bird on its ear. Okay, so it's fun, right? So yeah, we're gonna make this today. I'll show you what I did with it, and I'm gonna do it again. You can make this a lot of different ways. Just, you know, I put my little pup on the front. My paper doll here is that one, and then it opens up like this. Let me take this paper doll off because I've got him holding this part together. And it opens up like this. So we've got, you know, our tags in here. They're just the foot. And now you can cut them apart and have more tags. I like to fold them. It's quick and easy. You don't have to back them on anything. You know, that kind of thing. So we've got these little side pockets, and I cut mine to an angle. You don't have to. Well, I didn't cut them. I just folded them under. And then we've got this little piece in here. It makes it to where we've got plenty of room to fold it in. It lays pretty flat on its own, but when you use your little paper dolls, it lays really flat. Just saying. And, you know, why not? Because that's adorable. Okay, let's make this. So I've got all my stuff cut out. Of course, I use the Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, that's fine. This is easy to cut out. This is really simple. Fold your pieces up even-ish with here and straight-ish with here, right? And it should come out fairly decent if you do that. I need a little more even-ish with here and there, right? Just line it up. I have this problem because I'm on video. That's the only way to explain that. It's when I'm not on a video, none of that happens. It's just oh, that's so easy. And then you go, oh, really? Let's make it more complicated for yourself, you know? Okay. So we're going to fold this to here-ish. Come on, you. We want to fold it to where we've got our pocket. We've got it straight. We've got enough room for our pocket. Like so, right? I'm always check inside and see. Fold that down, and then this one we're going to fold in so that we have enough room to fold this one on the inside and not get into our fold, right? We want to have, and if we need to trim off some of this pocket, that's fine. We can do that. Well, we're just going to fold it under. I'm going to fold it under. If you don't want to fold it under, then, you know, trim it a little bit. And that'll be fine, okay? I'm going to do this because I like the look of it. That angled look, you know? I like that. So I'm folding it up like so. And I'm going to do it on this one too. So we get that nice cohesive look, right? Okay. Like so. And then this piece will come in here. But we've got to do some work on it first. I want to put a little bit of trim on the top, so I'm not going to ink the top because why would I if I'm putting ink on it, right? I mean, trim on it. Yep. Okay. I know what I'm saying. Sometimes, you know, sometimes I'm thinking, what did I say that for? You know, I don't know. I must be the only one that does that, though. You guys will have to let me know if you do things like that. I've got extra skills and talents in that department, and I can't seem to get my fingers to work properly today for some reason. I'll get there. Yep. Okay, now we've got it. Sometimes you just have to take that little minute and, just fix it. Okay, now let's get this trimmed off. We're just going to put this down as a little flat tuck pocket. But you know my little trick, when we put these down, I always want to give that little nudge on the sides so that when you put it down, it's got a little extra room and it's not so flat till it's really hard to get things in there, right? So we're going to put just a little bead of glue. Put yourself enough, but a little bead of glue. I always say if it squidges out, that means you put enough. Just, make sure you have ample supply there, because, I'm not using the double-sided tape, so I want to make sure I have enough. So, yep, that. Make sure that it's going to fold easily, right? And it does, because I measured beforehand, right? All this is measured out for you. All you got to do is put it together. That's the thing, okay? Now, again, I'm not using the double-sided tape. I'm just going to glue this down. It's going to just fold up and be nice. That's the plan anyways. Just fold up and be nice. Let me get my brayer and give that a little extra, something like that. Okay. And then that's that side, okay? Now we're going to do the same on this one. And as you can see, when you fold this up, it takes the problem of that, if it's a little bit too wide on that pocket, because you do have to fold strategically, because this one has to fold to the inside, right? So yeah, it takes away that problem of it being a little bit snug in there, right? Okay, now we've got that and that. Comes together really quick, guys. Also, when you get it done, you may have a little hangover. Trim it off. We're going to fix that now, because that's where we are. I didn't put any trim on this. I didn't think it really needed it, and I wanted it to lay pretty flat. So, now I'm going to eyeball this and see this goes up to there. I'm not going to put the glue on this part. I'm going to put it on this part. There's a reason for that. Because I might have to trim some of this off. I won't be trimming any of this off, so I'm just doing it this way, right? And if I have to trim some off, I don't think I will on that one, but if I do, then I can, trim it off, and I don't lose any of the glue that I put on there, right? Okay, there's that one. Looks good. Again, we're going to do that same thing. We're going to see where this goes to, and we're going to start there and go down with our glue right there. And yeah, we'll do it that way. Makes a cute little tuck pocket. And if it goes over, we can just trim it off. If it doesn't, we're good. Okay? Give it a little bit of extra, get it on your mat. That's a requirement. Okay? Okay, so we've got that, and we've got that. Looks good. I don't think I have any trim off to do. Huh, go figure. I'll take it. Okay, So now you could ink that. You don't have to. It's a very pastel kind of color thing, so you really don't have to ink that. It's up to you, whatever you want to do with it. I think I inked this one a little bit, but you don't have to. So I'm going to not ink this one, and we'll compare and contrast, shall we? Okay, we've got this one that goes here, like so. And I made these tags on purpose to be tall enough to peek out the top because I like that. This is the middle one. Yeah, like so. And then this one goes over here, like so. Super duper cute. There. And then there. Okay, where's my... Oh, I didn't put my pup on there yet. I gotta put my pup on there. Okay, we gotta put this little guy on because he's too cute not to. You can make a paper clip out of him. He's big enough for that. You could do that. You can put him on the inside pocket or put him like I'm putting him on the outside. I think he's cute. I did back him with file folder because that gives you that extra sturdiness, and it also gives you the little bit of a... It's not completely flat down on the page like a sticker. Nothing wrong with stickers. I'm not saying there is. I'm just saying you get a little bit of extra lift if you have something underneath. Okay? Alright. Now we've got this guy going on here because that's what we're doing. And we've got this girl going right there. She's got a butterfly. Okay, there you go. I've got 2 of them now, which is usually what happens. Okay, we've got a 2-page freebie. It's available on my website and the Ko-Fi page and the Facebook group page. Wherever you want to get that, go get it. Have fun. Make something pretty today because that's really pretty. Ink it, don't ink it, whatever you want to do with that. Okay? All right. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.